Carolina, way back in the hills, lived my old pappy, and he had him still. He brewed white lightning until the sun went down, filled him a jug and he passed it around. Mighty, mighty pleasing, pappy's corn squeezing. Ooh, white lightning. G-Man, T-Man, revenue was too, searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept a cooking. Ooh, white lightning. I asked my pappy why he called his brew white lightning instead of Mountain Dew. I took one sip, right away I knew. My eyes bugged out and my face turned blue. Lightning started flashing, the thunder started crashing. Ooh, white lightning. T-Man, T-Man, revenue was too, searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. Ooh, white lightning. That city slicker came and he said, I'm tough, and I think I want to try that powerful stuff. He took one slug and he drank it right down. I heard him moaning as he hit the ground. Mighty, mighty pleasing, your pappy's corn squeezing. Ooh, white lightning. T-Man, T-Man, revenue was too, searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept a cooking. Ooh, white lightning. T-Man, T-Man, revenue was too, searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. Ooh, white lightning.